Hi guys, this is Myrna, your chiropractic assistant from Lowhigh Chiropractic, and I'm here with Sabrina, the receptionist. So today we're going to be talking about the disadvantages of gardening without a gardening bench. A gardening bench looks something like this. It helps to reduce pain from bending down while gardening, pulling out weeds or anything. It helps with traps, it helps with lower back, upper back. These you can find them on Amazon. They're something simple, it's just to help you with your back.